So for the barbell back squat, we want to shrug up into our upper back to create a lot of tension into the barbell, breathing into the core, bracing and unracking with the knees, finding a comfortable foot position. For my client here, we're going with a slightly angled out foot position. The hips are going to come back, knees are going to go away from the midline of the body. At the top of each rep, we're breathing in and bracing. For some people, sitting back with the hips is going to allow them to get to good depth. We're doing more of a low bar position here. With a high bar, you're going to be doing more of an elevator squat, straight up and down. What we're trying to do here is keep the barbell over the midfoot as much as possible. We want to use our foot tripod, our big toe, little toe, and heel to effectively grab the floor and be able to channel energy through our body. This is why it's important to have our core braced and pushing up into the upper back so that all muscles are engaged during this compound exercise. I'll play 2 more videos with their audio so that you can see how this looks from different angles.
Create that opposing force with the core. Just like breathing in and bracing. Those muscles engaged. Settle back. Deep breath. Breathe. Like that. 1 good. 2 more hits. 2 good. Perfect. Back, breathing into a core for unracking. Unracking with the knees, 2 to 3 steps back, find your footing, grab the floor, big toe, little toe, heel. You want the hips traveling back, knees out, a little bit of a hinge, we're going low bar. Deep breath, brace, good. There's 1, nice. And 2, sweet. 3, squeeze loose, good. And 4. Right foot, 6. 3 to 4 more. Really good breathing brace. Keep that core tight. 7. 3 more. 8.